Today is Halloween. Hey guys, it's Kat. This is my outfit. And I've started doing my face, but I have to leave soon, so I'm just gonna I've just moisturised, and I've put primer on and concealer. And I might just have to roll with this for a moment, because I don't know what else to do. And I have to leave really soon, so I'm just gonna go there, help them set up, and then do my face, because my face needs doing. And oh my god, my hair, I didn't think about oh my god, I didn't think about hair. Can you tell I'm unorganised? So I have primed sort of my face, prepped my face for tonight. I've got my camera-y stuff, and then this is my lovely makeup bag that I got for my birthday. It's from Forever New. Oh my god, and that's all my makeup that I need to do there. So this is going to be a fun experience. I've just got to do my hair, and I'll check back when my hair is done. Oh my god, what have I done? And this is going to take about 4 hours to get out, but that's okay. It looks pretty damn good. My makeup and hair are done, and look, it's Greer. Greer! Your makeup looks great, don't worry.
Yeah, it
looks great. I'm very impressed. It's like 12 times better than mine is. That's alright.
I'm just scared I'm going to move and it's going to stuff up the makeup.
Don't worry. Just I'm doing your cheek and eye control. Go ahead.
You guys have to do that the whole time.
What's everyone? So, Elliot! Oh my god. Lovebirds though. Hello. Is this a video? It's a video. Oh my god!
I need to be as serious as possible.
Oh my god, you mean as a Rasta Pikachu nerd?
No one must know it's me.
You mean Sean?
No.
And then we did. Can I hold this up or not? Go on.
Tonga everywhere.
Everyone looks so great. I'm actually jealous of everyone's costumes.
Remember me from last year? I was going to be a vampire.
We have fun, aren't we? Oh dear. So I'm at my friend Greer's for a Halloween party, and I'm in my lovely Saw costume, and it's fun so far. It's Zucchini!
Hello.
This is great, thank you!
Decorations.
Thank you. Yeah, they're amazing.
Thank you.
I love this. Oh, the pump. Can we talk about this guy?
Looks like you, Catherine.
Thanks, Zucchini. I mean, we're getting a stash up.
Yeah,